Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about my research work, that is, why do firms need to prioritize SaaS over outsourcing. Abstract. So we'll be looking towards the evolutionary prospect of software as a service over the outsourcing model and understand the various factors that needs to be taken into account when moving to cloud. We'll be reviewing various literature and based on which we'll be addressing the benefits and the risk factors that have to be taken into account when moving to cloud. The paper will also serve as a guideline for potential cloud computing customers with respect to the decision making and vendor selections. The traditional outsourcing model is based on contracts of fully configured managed services to third-party vendors providing IT services at reduced cost. Software as a service is an outsourcing model that delivers on-demand applications that are hosted and managed by the service provider in cloud, and the clients are typically charged based on the subscription basis and based on the amount of storage needed for the development. The SaaS has benefits like cost effectiveness, easy implementation, a flexible and highly scalable platform for different business units to be outsourced. Now we'll be comparing the SaaS with the traditional outsourcing model. In traditional outsourcing, the software code needs to be maintained in the vendor's location for development and maintenance purpose. But in SaaS, the software code is basically in the cloud. So we are reducing the cost of hardware needed in vendor side and also increasing the security. The cost is further reduced when the client is asked to pay for only the storage needed for the development. And the SS also provides advantage on increased system scalability, as we can expand and upgrade the system easily in the later point. In my initial analysis, I found a report with a case study of Accenture helping gender equality project by a Swiss foundation. The Accenture teamed up with the foundation to deliver the cloud-based assessment application in 4 months at about half the cost of traditional solution. In HP case study, they discusses about how the company has reduced the time for 3 weeks to 90 minutes for the HP application lifecycle management using the cloud service automation system. Even recently, Ford Motors improved the quality and governance of its data in supply chain division after moving to a SAP-based system from legacy. The Ford is using SAP tools including SAP ERS, CRM, and business intelligence. In the academic side, I have found an article by Dhar, and the author suggests that the vendor should experiment with the cloud service and understand which model are suitable for their clients. This will not only help the vendor to identify the new business models, but also to find the opportunities that arises in the cloud computing to gain competitive advantage in the market. My research is based on literature review, so I draw conclusion based on different literature reviews on topics to benefits and the risk factors for the cloud-based outsourcing services. The objective of the research will be to look for the differences between the traditional outsourcing model and SaaS outsourcing model, identify the advantage of cloud over the traditional outsourcing from a prospects of client and the vendor side, and also identify various factors like security and the risk involved in cloud. Thank you.